Hello again, or hola, bonjour perhaps. I don't know. My crochet videos have become a global, worldwide phenomenon, as I always knew they would be. Ugh, who am I kidding? I'm just some weird little guy who makes some silly little woodworking videos, and all of a sudden one of them hits the crochet world and goes crazy, and my inbox blows up, and here I am making more crochet hooks. So thanks everybody for all your love and support and kind words and all that jazz. I'm actually making some headway on orders. I've been shipping a bunch out lately. I just don't have the time to create this type of content for everything that I'm doing. It's actually a lot of hard work and takes up a whole lot of extra time, but it's worth it. Everybody seems to enjoy seeing this stuff, and it gives me something to do. And, I don't know, maybe destined to become a global phenomenon in the crochet world, as I joked about earlier. Who knows? But, yeah, anyway, I actually have a few more. I have some orders that I'm waiting on some more details and feedback from people. So while I'm waiting on that, I'm making a few extra ones. I just keep chewing along. So I actually have some that I'll be posting up on my little store soon that anybody can come in and snatch up should they so desire. These pieces here I'm working, a pair of purple pieces. One is a maple utapella wood. I've got a previous video where I explain the utapella canker in depth and what that is, and it's a real nice looking piece. The other one is a piece of English walnut. It's got a little bit of spalding, a little bit of curl, but it's got this real nice little bird's eye section in it. It's a nice handle. That one's already gone and spoken for. But so I'm just chewing along and making more hooks. This is what they look like. The bottom one's the maple utapella, some purple and copper tones in it. The top one is that bird's eye English walnut section. Yeah, they look very nice. Thanks for watching. Later.